Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Headway how to write progress notes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are looking to write progress notes using the Headway platform for mental health professionals, what you need to do is head over and then open up your browser and on the search bar type in headway.co. Now once you're inside here, sign into your provider account. Then once signed in, navigate to the client list and select the patient you need to write a progress note for. Then click on the notes or progress notes tab in the client's profile. Then progress notes should be clear, concise and clinically relevant. A common format is the SOAP note, that is subjective, objective, assessment and plan. Then lastly, save and secure the note. Review the note for accuracy, then click the save or submit and ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations by keeping notes secure. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.